In this video, I will show you how to redeem Steam gift cards. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do is open up the Steam app. But you can also do this on the Steam website, the steps are the same. Once you've done that and you're logged into your account, come up and click onto your name in the top right hand corner where it says manage account. And from here on this menu, you want to come and click onto account details. What that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. From here, you want to look at the section at the top, store and purchase history. And then click here where it says add funds to your Steam wallet. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to this screen where you can add funds using a credit or debit card. But to redeem a Steam gift card from here, if you look to the right hand side, on this your Steam account section, you're going to see a link here to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Give that a click and that's going to take you to this screen where you can enter your Steam wallet code into the box here to redeem your gift card. Just a note, if the gift card you attempt to redeem is not in your currency, it will automatically be converted if redeemable in your region. Now, just a note as well that not all gift card currencies can be redeemed in all regions, just something to bear in mind there. All you need to do is enter your Steam wallet code or gift card code into the box here, click on to continue, and it's going to confirm the amount of that gift card, and then you would just confirm to add that to your Steam wallet. Once that's done, you can now use that to purchase anything you like on Steam using the funds applied from your Steam gift card. So that is how to redeem Steam gift cards. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.